smaller poles and they only have the tops on. And we have 2 packs of them. Then we have C, which are a little bit fatter and they're long and they're really kind of tall compared to these. So they're a little bit taller. So you can tell the difference between A and C. And then we have D, which is the top of the house where we're going to be connecting all our poles. This will keep it together. Then we have E, which is a 3x3 like point. That's going to be like the corner point. And then we have like a little area where you can connect. And then we have E, which is right at the corner on the bottoms or anywhere else it needs to go. And it's a 3x3. Now let's start assembling and my dad is going to help me. Let's get on the grill. Okay, so we're gonna put our carbon in.
Hey, we have a princess house.
Yeah, this is the tent we're gonna be sleeping in the night to watch our movie.
Okay.
No, that's gonna be at the night, and we're very sorry. So let's see. I'm gonna eat some meat. Do you want some meat?
Yeah.
Some steak? Okay. And then we'll get some sticks.
I want some fish.
Okay, we'll get some sticks. So we're gonna add half fish. Then
And I want broccoli.
You want broccoli, okay. Broccoli. Okay, and I want some lettuce and I want some corn. Let me slice the corn in half.
What is this?
Oh, that's shrimp. It's delicious. Okay, here's my stick.
I want shrimp. What is it?
Shrimp.
I want shrimp.
Okay, we're gonna add it to your stick.
And I want this. What is this?
Oh, that's a sausage. So let's.
I want some sauce.
Okay, we're gonna add that here. Okay, and now we're gonna have some pepper.
Where's the salt?
And here's the salt. We're gonna add some salt too.
Oh, why have that letters?
Oh, because the P is for pepper and the S is for salt. Okay, our food is ready. So it's really hot, so be careful.
You can do it like this.
Yes, here's yours.
Yeah.
And here's mine. I have some corn, lettuce, and fish. And what do you have?
I have
Shrimp.
shrimp and broccoli and fish.
Nice.
Be careful, it's hot.
Oh yeah, it's hot. Okay, it's now time to grab our entree. So here is your sausage.
That looks good.
Be careful, it's hot. And here we have some steak. Do you want some steak?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me split my steak in half.
You can put salt and pepper.
Oh, I'll add some. Oh no! Here you go. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Ooh, and we should grill some of these nice vegetables. We'll have some lettuce, some mushroom. We should grab some broccoli. Yeah, we're gonna come tempting. And if you want to go inside to eat our food, we can. So we have lettuce, broccoli, mushroom, more mushroom. So we have some corn, and we're gonna eat some corn. I'm gonna get the corn, get the lettuce, and then we'll get some broccoli. And Grace, may I have your plate for a second?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, you're done. We're gonna add some chicken. So this is the chicken leg.
This princess house is so beautiful.
Yeah, and here we're gonna be sleeping, and we're gonna look at the stars, and we're gonna roast some marshmallows.
We don't have marshmallows.
Oh, but I brought some.
Where are they?
Oh, they're in my backpack.
Where's the backpack?
I left it in the car, but we'll go get it later. So right now, here's my food. We have some corn, lettuce, and broccoli, and some steak. I'm gonna eat mine all up. Ooh.
Hey, let's go in the house. So we can eat it. Hey, why don't you eat it in here?
I'll eat it in there. And I have one corn cob, so we eat it.
We love corn.
Corn is delicious. Well, we have to round up this grill, and we can eat later for our dinner. Oh, I want the cookie. Nice. So we have bread, and I'll get your cookie. Okay, let's get your cookie out here. Here's some cookies and bread. And I'll have a banana and an egg.
You want eggs are so beautiful.
Wow.
And we don't have lights. That would be dark here.
And a cookie. And I'm gonna add a little bit more coffee. Hey, that's fine. Let's eat. You want a half banana?
Yeah.
Yum.
Hello.
Cookie.
Here.
Oh, some bread. And some sausage. And with some lettuce. Ooh, we should make a bowl burger, okay? So I'll show you how that works. So first for the bowl burger, you just add your meat. So let's fry our meat first.
I'll get some.
Then you add the meat. Then you add the lettuce. You add the tomato.
I'll get some this.
And you have some bread. And we have a burger bowl. Great. Would you want to watch a movie on my laptop?
Yes, I will.
So let's have our snacks. We have some
I love
cookies,
that.
some strawberries,
And some cookies.
and we have more. We have a little crackers. You want some?
Yeah, that's so good. We have sugar.
No, they're salty. Ooh, and we have a strawberry. They're super nice and they're all washed. Let me eat one. I like these lights. They're super pretty. Don't you like the lights? And we have really nice snacks for our movie.
What is so good? The strawberries.
Is this a magical house? Hi, we are camping. I'm gonna go get our movie. Should we watch the Lego movie?
Yeah.
And then we should watch the Ugly Dolls movie. Those are really good movies. Maybe we should watch Sonic Dash, right? Those- Yeah. Yeah, and we're gonna eat snacks. Look, we have a little bit of crackers. We have some bear cookies with chocolate.
Yummy.
And we have some strawberries. But they're so good that we're about to finish them. I hope you enjoyed going camping with us. Right now, we're gonna watch a movie on my streaming app. We have a few snacks here. And I'm so excited to watch it. We're gonna be in this tent for a bit. And then we're gonna go upstairs and go to sleep. And if you want more information on this amazing tent, the link will be down below. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching.